Hello and welcome to TERAIN. This is How to Obtain Datasets for Research, a step-by-step guide to help you use our platform. TERAIN is a smart dashboard that allows you to research and compare the environmental impact that the industrial activity of a facility, company, or region causes, as well as the derived environmental risks. Before we begin, you will need a premium account to be able to download data. To get one, you have to write to us through our contact form. In case your institution is already subscribed to the premium access of TERAIN, you will only have to say so we can verify your information and activate it for you. If that's not the case, we will gladly inform you of the subscription options that they are available for you. You can check whether your account has been upgraded to premium access by clicking on the blue circle with your initial. There you will see a green sticker as well as the expiration date for your subscription. With that said, data exports can be done in two different ways, each with a different resulting format of its own. Let's say you have already conducted a facility search by selecting all the available parameters. You obtain some interesting data and you want to download it to make your own analysis. Well, you just have to hit download data, select the Excel document format, click on generate file, and finally download. By doing that, you should obtain a one sheet spreadsheet that gives you all the data sorted out into a table just like this. This is especially useful for case-by-case analysis or in situations where you want to work with small amounts of items at once because terrain saves you the effort of organizing the data. Now, what do we do if we are interested in working with a large amount of items for our comparative analysis? Well, we go to the advanced search engine. The basic search engine already allows you to go to the advanced one before generating the file by clicking on Go to Advanced Export. But the easiest way to access it is through the circle on the top right corner by clicking on Export Data. Here, all the query steps are reduced to just one. In addition, there are additional search parameters that will allow you to refine your queries. In the case of facility, for example, you can sort out the facilities by typing in the company and the field of activity as well. And as I said before, the difference between the advanced search engine and the basic one is that it allows you to conduct data exports for multiple search items all at once. All the rest, the division between the data from Europe and the US, the search categories, the scores, it all works just like in the usual search engine. So if you have not seen our previous videos on how to search by facility, by company, or by region, please go watch them and come back to this video after that. Now, let's stay on search by facility in the European territory. You will see that once you start filling in such parameters, below each drop-down menu, it appears a button that says Select All Facilities, similar to this one. If you click on the one below a country, or you go straight for a field of activity, which would get you all the Europeans facilities in that field, you would probably exceed the limit. And if you were to repeat the search, you wouldn't be able to select only the ones that got left out. To avoid this, it's important that you refine your query settings appropriately. There are many ways of doing so depending on what you want to retrieve. The point is that you create a meticulous structure so that you do not miss anything. For example, if you wanted to download the data for all the Spanish facilities, you could try by refining this search through the parameters of activity or city as well. The main difference among the search categories, apart from the number of search parameters available, is the limit of items that you can download. While you can download up to 100 facilities, the limit goes down to 50 for the data-owned companies and down to 10 when searching for regions. Now, let's go back to the previous example and select all Spanish facilities that engage in thermal power production. In this case, the number of facilities that fit the parameter surpasses the limit, which means that we would have to further refine the query city by city. But since I am doing this only for demonstration purposes, it's not necessary for me to do that now. Before you go on and click on export data, you have to make sure that you have selected all the impact scores and type of comparisons of interest. It will be here on the left side of your screen as usual. Having checked this, the procedure is just the same as with the basic search engine. Clicking on export data and then download. An Excel file will automatically download to your device. And now you have a file with all the data sorted out for you to work with. Thank you for your attention. We hope that this was a helpful video. TERAIN is a research initiative funded by the Spanish State Agency of Research, the Next Generation EU Fund, and the Recovery, Transformation and Resilience Plan.